Hey guys, Stacy Oldfield with Minerva Management Partners here. Now when you think of networking, most people think of external networking. You know, the kind of networking you do when you're looking to generate business or looking for a new job. But did you know that internal networking can be just as important? So whether you work in a small company or a large corporation, invest the time to get to know your fellow associates. From the receptionist to the CEO, everyone possesses key relationships. You never know who someone went to school with, is related to, or worked with in a prior career. Now, the best way to approach internal networking is to be proactive and sincere in learning about your coworkers. Connect the dots on how your relationships could help them and where their contacts can help you. So I have 5 tips for networking within your workplace. So number 1, find the people who are considered to be the most effective networkers. It's a good idea to build relationships with people who you know to be effective internal networkers, as they can help you with advice and guidance on who you should be connecting with. Now, number 2, get involved. Contributing to cross-functional or company-wide projects and initiatives is not only good for your professional development, it can be a great way of growing your network. Number 3, taking part in work-based social events and extracurricular activities like charity projects and challenges or field day at work. Those can all be a great way of raising your profile and building your network in a less formal context. Number 4, make sure you focus on diversity, not size. Your focus should be on building a diverse contact base as opposed to a large one. For your internal network to have maximum impact, it should include a variety of people with different skills, qualities, and experiences. And then finally, number 5 is to use your network appropriately by making sure you're providing as much support to them as they are to you. And be careful not to rely on others too heavily or ask people for an unreasonable amount of their time. As with external networking, it's important to adopt a targeted approach to your internal networking efforts. Now, if you're looking for other ideas for building your internal network, make sure to check out my 3-day networking challenge by clicking the link below. And don't forget to post questions that you would like to see me address in the future. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you next time.